Number 1.
1995 GMC Sierra, price $6,500, powered by the reliable 5.7L V8 engine and showing only 140,201 miles. It runs, drives, and shifts remarkably well, delivering a smooth and refined driving experience that feels far newer than its age. The truck is solid throughout, with no squeaks, rattles, or unusual noises, and the engine operates so quietly that it is barely noticeable while idling. The exterior remains in attractive condition, with only minor rocker panel rust beginning to appear. Recent maintenance and upgrades include brand new tires, new shocks, new brakes on all four corners, and new headlights and parking lights, ensuring both safety and reliability. Inside, the cabin features tinted windows, a Sony sound system, hot heat, and ice-cold air conditioning, providing comfort in all seasons.
Number 2.
2001 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,950. It has traveled approximately 155,000 miles and is powered by a strong 4.8L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a beige exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. As a two-wheel drive model, it offers a smooth and comfortable driving experience for daily use, work duties, or light hauling needs. According to the current owner, the truck runs and drives very well with no known issues affecting its performance. It is equipped with power windows and power door locks, adding convenience for both the driver and passengers. The vehicle has recently received a fresh oil change and inspection, helping ensure it is ready for its next owner. In addition, it comes with a brand new set of tires, which adds value and reduces immediate maintenance costs.
Number 3.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, features a 5.7L V8 engine, automatic transmission, 4x4 drivetrain, a green exterior, and approximately 170,000 miles. The truck runs, drives, starts, and stops properly. Recent maintenance includes new control arms, bearings, ball joints, wheel hubs, a rebuilt rear drum brake system, a new fuel pump, and new spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, and rotor. The previous owner also replaced all shocks. The brakes have recently been repaired and are working correctly. It has new front tires, though the rear tires may need replacement soon. The truck has a minor oil leak and the engine recently began making a new noise that may need attention. Overall, it is a solid running and driving truck with several important maintenance items already completed.
Number 4.
1992 Ford F-250, price $7,000, with 77,700 original miles is being offered in excellent running condition. This truck features an automatic transmission, a red exterior, a gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. It runs and drives great, and it has been fitted with brand new tires. The vehicle is exceptionally clean for its age, with virtually no rust, which is rare for a 1992 model. It does need a brake service, and the fuel pumps need to be installed because the fuel gauge currently indicates that the tanks are full. Both new replacement fuel pumps for each tank are included with the vehicle. However, the current owner does not have the tools or ability to complete the installation. Overall, the truck presents very well and would only need a fresh paint job to achieve a near showroom-like appearance.
Number 5.
2001 Ford F-350, price $6,900. This truck is powered by the legendary 7.3L diesel engine and has approximately 330,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in silver with an automatic transmission, this truck remains a strong and dependable workhorse that runs and drives great. The vehicle has been well maintained, with no leaks and no known mechanical issues. Everything functions as it should, including the ice-cold air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and integrated brake controller. The steering and drive tires are in good condition and are not expected to require attention anytime soon. Known for its durability and reliability, this F-350 is ready to go straight to work. It is a straightforward, no-nonsense truck that can run all day and get the job done. The truck also comes with a clean title, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a proven and capable diesel pickup.
Number 6.
1992 Toyota pickup, price $10,000, well-maintained California truck with a clean title, current registration, and a recent smog certification completed on June 1, 2026. Finished in red with a beige interior, it features an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Powered by Toyota's reliable 22R EFI gasoline engine, the truck has accumulated 248,000 miles and has been owned by only 2 owners since new. Known for its legendary durability, this Toyota has benefited from extensive mechanical work, including a top-end and bottom-end engine rebuild as well as a transmission overhaul, ensuring many more miles of dependable service. The radiator and hoses were replaced a few years ago, and the truck continues to perform exceptionally well.
The power steering operates flawlessly, the air conditioning blows ice cold, and the heater works perfectly.
It drives straight with excellent alignment, while the brakes and suspension feel solid and responsive.
Number 7.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $5,500, well-maintained, one-owner vehicle with a clean title and only 66,000 original miles. Finished in white with an automatic transmission and a gasoline-powered engine, it has been carefully kept and remains in excellent running condition. The truck starts, runs, and drives great with no known mechanical issues.
It has successfully passed a smog inspection and is ready for its next owner.
The low original mileage makes it a standout example of the Chevrolet S10, offering reliability and value for anyone seeking a dependable compact pickup. In addition, the vehicle comes equipped with a utility rack and toolbox, adding practicality and convenience for work-related tasks, hauling equipment, or everyday use.
Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It has 172,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a burgundy exterior paired with a matching burgundy interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck drives smoothly, can comfortably reach speeds of up to 80 miles per hour without any vibration, and starts and runs reliably every time. Mechanically, the vehicle is in very good condition overall, having received significant attention and repairs from its current owner.
However, there are a few known issues that should be noted.
The engine has an oil leak originating from the intake manifold valley. There is an exhaust leak at the driver's side header to downpipe flange. The fuel return line is leaking, and the air conditioning system is currently inoperative.
Number 9.
1972 Chevrolet C20, price $8,750, finished in a classic gray exterior paired with a blue interior, creating a timeless and distinctive appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine, the truck was originally equipped with a manual transmission, which was later converted to an automatic transmission. Over the years, the truck received regular maintenance and upgrades, including replacement of various components, a complete tune-up, and mechanical work performed by the team at Rusty Nuts in Greenville to ensure it remained in reliable daily driver condition. The body is in excellent shape overall, showing only minor wear for its age. The primary area requiring attention is the wooden bed floor, which has been worn from years of hauling firewood and would benefit from replacement.
Number 10.
1986 Toyota pickup, price $9,000. This truck is a well-maintained classic that runs great and has been carefully cared for throughout its life. Powered by the reliable 22RE gasoline engine and paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it delivers the authentic driving experience that old-school Toyota enthusiasts appreciate. Showing 265,000 miles on the odometer, this white exterior truck with a gray interior remains a dependable daily driver.
The current owner has kept records and receipts for the work completed over the years, demonstrating consistent maintenance and attention to detail.
While it shows the typical wear and tear expected of a vehicle from 1986, it remains a true gem for anyone looking for a durable, classic Toyota pickup with character, reliability, and timeless appeal.